Hi, welcome to Pinoy Mandala. Today we are going to appreciate the beauty of the people around us with this easy portrait drawing for kids and kids at heart. These are the materials that we need: drawing paper, pencil, eraser, permanent markers, drawing pens, and any coloring materials around you. For this video, I am using basic crayons. Let's start! Draw a line at the center of your paper. This line is an estimate of the size of the face that you are going to draw. Mark the both ends of the line with smaller lines or circle. Then we will divide the lines into four parts, almost equal parts. We do this by drawing a mark at the center of the line and then finding the centers of the other part. Now, draw a circle connecting the first and the fourth period or line. See how it is done in the video. The circle is not yet the full shape of the face. Complete the shape of the face by drawing a line from the sides of the circle to the last period or line. This part is flexible depending on the shape of the face of the person you are drawing. It is your decision to adjust accordingly. The next thing that you will do is to determine the nose area. See how I do it in the video. After we have identified the nose area, we will draw a line at the center of the circle crosswise. This will be the eye area or the eye level. The line will also help us achieve the balance between the edges of the two eyes. Now you are ready to draw the eyes and the eyebrow. Remember, the top part of our first line is our guide for the level of the eyebrows. Now it is time to draw the nose. Use the nose level area as the guide. If this is your first time to draw the nose, you can start by drawing lines like this. Now let's draw the lips. Our guide for the length of the lips are the position of the eyeballs. If this is your first time to draw the lips, you can start by doing this. Then add the lines for the hair and the neck. Now make the lines more prominent to finalize your sketch. Alright, you may now use the permanent marker to thicken the lines. Enjoy! Erase the sketch and then color your work. Don't forget to add your signature. There you go, our easy portrait drawing. Now I challenge you to draw your parents or your loved ones. Don't forget to capture their smiles. Say cheese! Thank you for joining me again for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to Pinoy Mandala and leave a comment below for projects that you would like to see on my next video. Salamat!